Hello and welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Revolution. Let me tell you first that everything you will see is powered by artificial intelligence with just one click, and for a duration of up to 1 minute in the video. I can say goodbye to Pika Labs and goodbye to Runway AI in the coming period. In this video, I will share with you the greatest releases from OpenAI ChatGPT company for converting text to video. On February 15th, 2024, the Sora ChatGPT website was launched, focusing on converting text to video with high precision. Today, OpenAI showcases its greatest achievements for 2024 named Sora, specializing primarily in converting text to video, but not like Pika Labs or Runway AI. I believe it will surpass them in the future and solve a set of problems such as video timing. Videos with Sora can reach up to a minute and maintain picture quality, also complying with user demands. This prompted me to share this amazing achievement with you today, awaiting its public release. Currently, it is only available to Red Team members, who evaluate errors, develop data, and provide opportunities for artists, designers, and filmmakers to review all errors and issues before its public launch, as with all new projects and websites. The beauty of Sora AI lies in its ability to create complex scenes with multiple characters and specific types, and precise details as per the demand. Everything you see now has been created by the Sora team using artificial intelligence, appearing so real. I'll show you examples and share them with you now, leaving the link to the website in the description. Regarding the images, the main things they relied on were DALL-E 3 and ChatGPT 4, trained on millions of research and data. It is, as we say, capable of creating through a real virtual world. I'll let you watch this set of examples. Truly, things have become precise and videos are more accurate. Frankly, everything is fantastic now. You won't be able to differentiate between reality and artificial intelligence. I believe this year will be a fantastic year for AI cinema and a revolution in the world of text-to-video conversion. In summary, Sora is a physics engine primarily based on data and simulations, and everything it has been trained on by OpenAI scientists, distinguishing Sora's release for creating wonderful, realistic, and authentic videos. Until the official launch of the website, these initial data and experiments are considered wonderful and unbelievable. For us as users, it will solve our problems and replace well-known websites for converting texts into videos. I would love to hear about your experience of creating music videos with AI. I share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creative.